Whoa, we got another package? All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Coleman's. This one's Coleman's military surplus. Feel free to check them out. Coleman's. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. This does appear to be a folded over box, and this is actually the bottom, so we're going to go in through this way. Alright, it's not a glued bottom, so we should be able to get it easily. Alright, we're in. Let's see, let's dump this out. Okay, looks like got my manifest. Looks like I got a flyer. Oh, okay. So there's actually a bunch of QR codes for scanning for reference. So I'm not going to spoil it, but you can see here the other stuff listed in the flyer. There we go. Coleman's military surplus. Alright, so let's start putting the contents out. As you can see, it's mostly garments this time. And some of these things. So, get this out of the way. Alright. Conveniently enough, first item should be Soviet PARATROOPER helmet. So it looks like the soft version. You can see ear holes there. Let's see a label. Not sure what. Okay, that way. Let's see if I can get better light on this. Give me a second. Maybe we may get a shadow. Alright, if you can read that. Cyrillic. See here the kind of quilted lining. It's pretty thick. Padding. Various buttons. Here this is over the ear hole. You see my finger through there. You can see a metal clip right here. It is steel, magnetic. Buttons likewise other side. We can see a different colored, feels like nylon type of strap. And that's what hooks onto here with this buckle, I believe. It goes in through here, like so. Okay. So Soviet PARATROOPER helmet. Set that aside for now. Next up, we ordered 4 visual impact signs. These should be just directional arrows. And you can see here they come in 3 packs. And they should be reflective. I'm not sure if they're glow in the dark. I don't think so. 3x3 signs, self-stick. And the 4th one's right there. So 4 of those. The barcode's upper right. Looks like brand is Cole. Consumer Products, Solon, Ohio. Division of American Consumer Products, Inc. So possibly made in America. For those. Next up, we have just the hood. And it was listed as the M65 or M51 hood. So for that cold weather jacket, you know, with kind of like the faux fur lining there. Hood winter with synthetic fur ruff. There we go. And you can see the various materials there. This is the lining. Kind of the neck ruff collar area. The big hood area. I can feel a wire reinforcement in here. You can see various button points, probably for securing something else to there. I'll have to figure that out. Let's take a look at the label. We did see that smaller one. Here is the larger instructional label. Attachment to field coat or M65 Parka. Attachment to older type M51 Parka with attached hood. Use of hood over bare head, cap, or helmet. So there's a variety of actual applications that you could use this, because this is quite oversized. So yeah, this will definitely go over a helmet. Pretty cool. Okay, large kind of hook and latch area here, which has some of these fibers stuck onto it. And this would be the other surface here, the felt side, that would attach to there. So again, all those buttons are probably attaching to the garment. Alright, so the big winter style hood there. Next up, we have two versions of the French rain jackets. Let me set these a little bit to the side here. Bunch of hoods, and these are your jackets. So you can see here, one's a size 100, one's a size 112. Similar in appearance on all the liners. This vented liner looks to be different materials in the smaller version. And you can see it's kind of like this synthetic material, elasticized cuffs, snap buttons at the top and bottom only, excuse me, plastic, so they keep the weight down. Pretty lightweight zipper. We do have drawstrings with cord locks, very nice. We just have to put a knot at the end, keep those from falling off. And I feel a soft hood in the collar. So it's probably secured by this flap. Yeah, you can see that there. It also has cord locks on the cords. There's something else here. That's just the inside of the Velcro. Stow that for now. Let's see what other features we got here. Vented armpit area for grommet vents in the armpit area. Try to feel what's down here. I do feel something here in the pocket. Large zipper pocket. Right, yep. And inside looks like a strap. I'm not sure what the purpose is. Anybody knows in the comments, let me know. Let's check the other pocket and see what's going on in there. Is there one? So, we may only have a pocket on the one side. Is that correct? Nope, there's a smaller one on this side. So let's zip this down. Yeah, interesting. Oh, this is a pass-through. Okay, so we have a pocket on one side, this one right here, you see. But then we have a pass-through on this side. So it's asymmetrical. Looking at the back, we do have kind of like this area for the ventilation right there. Okay, so you can see the passage through like that. Pretty cool. Very lightweight. And again, the bottom of the cord locks. So, French rain jacket large. This is the extra large version. Let's just quickly look to see if we have this similar pocket arrangement. And I do believe with that pocket there, the jacket itself should tuck into here. So there should be a way to actually fold the jacket into this pocket itself, and that means that that strap is a carrying strap. Okay, took me a minute to think about it, but this is the carrying strap. Or you can strap this on to something else or around something else with this buckle. Okay, so you would stow the jacket in here, zip it up, and you can then carry this. Possibly something like that. And then you would stow it within there. Pretty cool. So 2 versions of the French rain jacket. I'm getting to the last of the items here. Let's try to figure out which is which. So this should be a Hungarian military field coat, large. See, it has a nice shade of green. Looks like we have some sort of sizing tag for issue, meaning this is unused possibly. You can see a nice hem there on the cuffs. Kind of a reinforced chest area, shoulder epaulettes with these metallic buttons, the cross swords, slightly metallic. Large button at the top there, cross swords. And if I can get this through here, careful, careful. Okay. And then we have kind of these green buttons on the inside. Let's see, not all of them are buttoned currently. Alright, so as I can see here, we have the large button at the top, 4 of these green buttons, and then a bare area towards the bottom. You can see some markings on the inside there, 1989 possibly. You can see inside for pockets. A 50, possibly size. Kind of a neck securing button and strap there. The other corresponding buttonholes possibly for a hood there. And nothing on the sleeves. Checking the pocket area, we did see these 2. Symmetrical. Turning it over. You can see this reinforcement area continues along the back. Looks like we need a belt. I don't feel any belts in the pockets. So I might have to pull one out of supply. So that's the only thing that seems to be missing on this is a belt. So, okay. So Hungarian military field coat, large. Now last but not least is a Czech military M98 PARKA with liner, extra large. So I can see right here on this arm, you can see a nice patch, very nice. Large epaulettes, looks like some badging has been removed, so this used to be somebody's. Okay, so you got a metallic button up here, but down here is actually a regular button securing this. Put that back real quick, if I can. Okay. Collar, zipper, brass. Yep. Little brass zipper. Let's see if I can get this out. Let's try it from the normal direction. Okay, we got it separated. Okay, let's see, buttons, metallic at the top, very nice, metallic, and magnetic. So you see crossed swords, and how it's attached on the back. So kind of a stylized markings there. I can't quite see it, but it looks very coin-like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons, almost all to the bottom. Drawstring, very elastic. Here's our quilted liner. Buttons securing it on. You can see with these button loops. Sturm made in Czech Republic. Black collar hook there, kind of loop. Not sure what this label is. Oh, it's just another button loop for here, which came loose. So that's how that would attach right there. Okay, so you can see all the buttons down the sides that can be used to attach this. Not all of them are attached, because that gives you access to this pocket on the inside. Oh, interesting. So that's how somebody was using this. Here's another label for care. This is the Czech version again. Pockets, looks like at the top here is not a pocket, but a reinforcement area for the chest. Open pockets on the side, slash style. Again, no pocket at the top. A bit of a stain there we're going to have to clean off. And lower pocket there as well. That's the back. Straight stitch. Looks like reinforced upper waist area. Couple of vents right there. You can see how they're stitch reinforced. Same on this side. Okay. Looking back on the inside, just the button attachment points for the liner. So, working our way backwards, we have a Czech military M98 PARKA with liner, extra large. We have a Hungarian military field coat, large. Let's see if I can get this folded here. We also have 2 of the French rain jackets. Those right there. We have a lot of green objects here today. We also had a couple of hoods here. We had the M65 or M51 kind of winter hood with the faux fur ruff. Had 4 of these visual impact signs. And we also had the Soviet military paratrooper helmet. So, these all came from Coleman's military surplus. Feel free to check them out. Very large variety of items. Coleman's military surplus. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.